This is how to reset AirPods Pro 3 or AirPods 4 all models. If you're experiencing charging issues and maybe connection issues or some other type of issue, then I'm going to show you how to reset these. You want to make sure this is charged and you want both AirPods or earbuds in the charging case, and then you want to close the lid and wait 30 seconds. So I'm using an iPad for this video. You can follow along if you're on the iPhone. This is optional, but I highly recommend it. So you want to go into settings and then go to Bluetooth and then find your AirPods in this list under My Devices. If you do not see your AirPods in this list, that's fine, just follow along. So you want to tap this blue circle, it's like the more info button. And then down here at the bottom of the list, you want to tap Forget This Device. Just select Forget Device. It's simply going to tell you it's going to remove the AirPods from all devices signed into your iCloud account. Tap Forget Device. So after you do all that and we wait about 30 seconds, we're going to initiate the reset. Now you want to open the lid of the charging case, and with the status light on, you want to double tap until you get a white flashing light, and then double tap again while the light is flashing white, and it's going to flash faster. And then you want to double tap again and it's going to go amber, then it's going to flash white. Now you can follow the steps on your device's screen and reconnect your AirPods. So I'm just going to go down here and click connect and follow through the prompts. So I followed the prompts, reopened the case. I have a white flashing light and I'm ready to reconnect the AirPods Pro. So I'm going to go ahead and click connect, and then I can go through and reset up all of my stuff, which I'm just going to kind of go through quickly just to show you that they reconnected just fine. Now I should be good to go. And that's all I had for you for this video. If the video was helpful, hit the like button and share it. Subscribe if you want. I'll see you guys in the next one.